Most reviews on The Last Wish tell you what it's supposed to do. I wanted to know what it actually does. So I put it through the matrix, broke down the mechanism, checked the audio frequencies, and looked at what real users are reporting. This is the review matrix. Here's what I found. Here's what's actually going on with financial blocks. Most people dealing with lack of money aren't failing because they haven't tried. They're failing because the things they've tried only address surface symptoms like goal setting, not the real reason the block keeps coming back. That quiet frustration of doing everything right, working hard, and still not moving forward, that's the gap The Last Wish is designed for. When I broke down how The Last Wish actually works, it targets pineal gland activation directly, not just surface level positive thinking. That's the distinction that matters. Most manifestation audio tracks work at the symptom level, which is why you get results that fade. This goes a layer deeper, using specific frequencies backed by neurological research to wake up the spiritual part of the brain. More targeted, less guesswork. The 7-minute core audio. This is the one that stood out most because it directly addresses the lack of time. You don't need hours of meditation. It does the heavy lifting for you. The pineal gland decalcification plan. I hadn't seen this formulated this way in this category before. It tackles the physical block that stops your spiritual senses from working in the first place. The wealth scripts. Easy to overlook, but it's what makes the other two actually compound instead of cancel each other out. It actively rewires the subconscious to accept the new signals. Early on, days 1 to 7. Most people notice a sudden drop in financial anxiety and a feeling of deep mental clarity. Midterm shift, that tends to build into spotting new opportunities and feeling a subconscious pull toward money-making actions with consistency. Longer term, you experience the deeper change you secretly want, true abundance without the constant grind. Not a straight line, but a clear direction. That's what the pattern shows. The protocol is simple. Just slip on a pair of headphones, press play, and listen for 7 minutes. Fits into a morning or evening routine without friction. The timeline most people report meaningful results. A few short weeks. Not a disclaimer, just how cumulative mechanisms work. The first week is laying the foundation. The compounding kicks in after. One variable I always factor in, refund policy. The Last Wish comes with a strict 60-day money-back guarantee. I treat that as a confidence metric. Companies don't offer real return windows on products they know underdeliver. It also means if it doesn't work for your situation, you're not absorbing the full risk. That's a relevant input. If the mechanism checks out for your situation, and the problem I described is where you actually are, the link to the official page is in the description. Direct link, no resellers, no markup. They currently have it marked down from $309.77 to $37.44 for today. Go through it, cross-check what I've covered, and run your own matrix. You've got everything you need to decide. If you've already run your own test on The Last Wish, I genuinely want to hear what you found. Drop it in the comments. The more data points, the clearer the picture gets for everyone.